Oh, my leg freaking hurts, but nobody cares about that. Welcome everyone to E Wrestling, and today I'm gonna talk about Brian Myers returning to WWE. So before I tell you the return thingy, I gotta tell you who the hell Brian Myers is. So this dude was a jobber back in 2011, I think, and he teamed with Edge. And yeah, I think I'm pretty much right with that. He also teamed with Zack Ryder, and I think this dude only became famous again because of Grimm's Toy Show. You know Grimm's Toy Show. Everybody, maybe everybody in the wrestling community knows who Grimm's Toy Show is. So I watched a video in YouTube that said facts about Kurt Hawkins. It was uploaded by WWE, and this is one of the facts that was in the video. So it said Kurt Hawkins can slam a revolving door. If you don't know what a revolving door, I'll put a picture. This is the revolving door. So yeah, everything is clear now. Okay, so first off, why would you even slam a revolving door? I know a lot of people do crazy stuff, but they earn world records for that. But Kurt Hawkins, he slammed the revolving door, and you know what, Kurt? Nobody even gives a shart, okay? Okay, so Mark Henry, he pulled 2 trucks. I know it's kind of fake, but he still put effort on it. I know some of you in the comments down below will say, well, I don't even know, that's also pointless. He's pulling 2 trucks. So what now, okay? Well, guess what? He did this for a storyline, okay? And what did Brian Myers do? He did nothing. He didn't even do it for a storyline. Or, I don't even know. I'm not a big fan of him. So if I'm wrong, please put it in the comment section down below. Hey guys, I'm going to the mall. Yeah, and I saw some revolving door there. And I think, oh my gosh, this is a really great idea. Something just popped out of my head. And oh my gosh, it's a really good idea to smash the revolving door, and the police won't get mad at me. Oh my gosh, that's gonna be an amazing thing. I'm gonna slam it, smash it, and everything. Maybe I'll burn it. Oh my gosh. So the next fact is Kurt Hawkins doesn't flush the toilet. This is no, I don't think this is real. He scares the crap out of it. Oh my gosh, oh no, this isn't real. Why did WWE even think of that? Hey everybody, I just took a crap, and because I'm Kurt Hawkins and I'm super cool, I'm not gonna flush toilet, okay? I know that sounds weird, but guess what? I have superpowers. You know what my superpowers are? Scaring the crap out of toilets. Look at this. Okay, first I gotta look into the toilet and do this. See that? Flushed by itself. I'm so cool because I'm Kurt Hawkins. Okay guys, I'm really confused right now. I don't know what to call him. Brian Myers or Kurt Hawkins? Okay, I know what to call him now. The dumbass who tried scaring the crap out of the toilet because he's too lazy to flush his own crap. Okay, so nobody really wants to forget about shout out time. So shout out to It's Nigel. So yeah, subscribe to his channel. And I almost forgot, subscribe to MLG Gaming. So that's gonna be it for E Wrestling, and yeah, thank you for watching. If you are mad at me, I don't really hate Kurt Hawkins. It's just for fun, you know. All jokes. This is just for entertainment purposes only, and yeah, see ya.